Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to find templates on Capcut. To start, open and locate your Capcut application. And once you're here, all you need to do this time is to click on your profile. For now, let's log out, and then log in once again. Now to find templates, you can also go ahead and go to TikTok. Once you're in TikTok, this time, you will now go to the searches. And then in here, over at the search bar, you are going to search for Capcut templates. Once you do that, there will be a variety of search results. And then in here, click on Try this template. Once you do that, you will now be redirected to Capcut once again. And then you can click on the button that says Use Template in Capcut. And as you can see, you can now use this template over at Capcut. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.